Hi, my name is Carlos Solis, and this is my individual reflection. First of all, why did we choose that topic for our poll? Well, because we thought it was going to be funny to show to the one that is using the code that kind of doing he or she is. Now let me explain to you how this code works. In this part, the code prints the greeting and the title of the BuzzFeed quiz. Then it asks to the one who is using the code its name to then say hi. After doing this, the code asks if he or she is ready to start. The code will not proceed until the answer is yes. This, of course, thanks to the while loop. You will see that BuzzFeed quiz is divided in 4 sections. Each time a different section is going to start, the code will print it. The section 1 asks 6 questions. Each of them asks for the average of a different subject. Every question has a while loop to validate data, which must be between 0 and 100. When the 6 questions are answered, the code will store the data that was entered and then get the total average of the student. This, of course, by adding all the averages and then dividing by 6. Using if and elif, the code will know what kind of student you are depending on the student's total average. Section 2 has 7 questions. The first one, you must enter a number, and the other 6 are yes or no questions. Each question, of course, has a while loop to validate data, except for question number 1. Depending on the answer for each question, the number of points that are being accumulated by the code. The total number of points will let the code know what type of student you are. This also thanks to if and elif. Section 3 and 4 are pretty similar. Each of them has a question that is validated. Depending on your end, the code will know if you like school and your teachers. The BuzzFeed quiz has finished and it's time to get the result. The code has collected all your answers and it will print the result in this part. Finally, the code prints, thank you. Let's test this code. What can be done to improve the poll system? It will be great that the code was visually impressive. How the project helped with the development of computational thinking and collaboration. I usually do not like to work in team, but this project changed my point of view towards teamwork. Now, talking about the competence of computational thinking, I think develops a sense of order doing this code.